This is a plaster mold. Today I'll show you how to make this mold so that you can make easy DIY paper mache masks as gifts or to sell. Don't forget the mold release. This is the method of mixing plaster that I use for every plaster mold that I make. I use the mold walls and the clamps to make this process as easy as possible. I pour the plaster into the well and then I agitate it in order to release the air bubbles. Then I clean it and I remove the plasticine for reuse. Now I can use mold release and layer in craft paper or recycled paper. Comment if you try it or if you have questions. For the more detailed video, click here.